Here are the pictures while we interview the grade 7 to grade 10 students.
So here are the data that we already collected from a grade 7 student to grade 10, and we will be arranging it into an ascending order. For doing an ascending order, you need to find out the lowest data that you have into highest data that you have. So now we will be solving quartiles. Quartiles have three parts. The first quartile or lower, the second quartile or median, third quartile or upper. So now we will be solving first quartile. The k here can be replaced into 1 because we're solving first quartile. So q1 is equals of 1 over 4, and then 20 is our n, and because n is how many our data set we have. So we have 20 data. So the n here is 20. Then plus 1, and then copy the 1 4, and then 20 plus 1 is equals of 21, and then 21 have an imaginary 1. So 1 times 21 is equals 21, and then 4 times 1 is equals 4, and then 21 divided by 4 is equals of 5.25 or 6. So our 6 is 4 or 6. So let's find out what is the value of our 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, our quartile 1 is equals of 91. Let's move to a quartile 2 or median. The k here can be replaced into 2 because we're solving second quartile. So q2 is equals of 2 over 4, and then 20 is our n, plus 1. Copy the 2 over 4. 20 plus 1 is equals of 21. Always remember that 21 have imaginary 1. So 2 times 21 is equals of 42. And then 4 times 1 is equals of 4. So 42 divided by 4 is equals of 10.5 or 11 because it's going to round up. So let's find out what is the value of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So therefore, our quartile 2 is equals of 93. So let's move on. Here's our the last part of quartile, which is quartile 3 or upper. So the k here can be replaced into 3 because we're solving third quartile. So quartile 3 is equals of 3 over 4, and then this is our n, 20 plus 1. Copy the 3 over 4, 20 plus 1 is equals of 21, and then the imaginary 1, 3 times 21 is equals of 63, 4 times 1 is equals of 4. 63 divided by 4 is equals of 15.75 or 16 because it's going to round up. Let's count what is the value of 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So our quartile 3, therefore our quartile 3 is equals of 97.
The formula of percentiles. Pk is equals of k over 100 times n plus 1. So we have here a 4 problems. Let's go for our first problem. And our first problem is looking for p sub 10. P sub 10 is equals of 10 over 100, 20 because 20 is our n and it is the total number of our data. 20 plus 1. So copy the 10 over 100, and then 20 plus 1 is equals of 21. So 10 times 21 is equals to 210. So 100 times 1 is equals to 100 because 21 have an imaginary 1. So 200 110 divided by 100 is equals of 2.1 or third, because it's going to round up. Let's find here what's our third. 1, 2, 3. So our third is 86. Therefore, our P sub 10 is equals of 86. So here, our second problem are looking for P sub 20. So P sub 20 is equals of 20 over 100. And then 20 is our n. Plus 1 is equals of, copy the 20 and 100, 20 over 100, and then 20 plus 1 is equals of 21. 20 times 21 is equals of 420, and then 100 times 1 is equals of 100, imaginary 1, and then 420 divided by 100 is equals of 4.2 or fifth. So let's find here what's our fifth number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore, our P sub 20 is equals of 90. So here on our third problem are looking for P sub 30. So follow the formula. So P sub 30 is equals of 30 over 100, and then our n is 20 plus 1. So copy the 30 over 100, and then 21 plus 1 is equals of 21. So 30 times 21 is equals of 630. And then here is 100 times 1 is equals of 100. Then 630 divided by 100 is equals of 6.3 or 7. It's going to round up, okay? And then let's find here our sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, our P sub 30 is equals of 92. Here in our last problem are looking for 40 percentiles. So 40 percentiles. P sub 40 is equals of 40 over 100. This is our n, 20 plus 1. So copy the 40 over 100. 20 plus 1 is equals of 21. And then 40 times 21 is equals of 840. And then 100 times 1 is equals of 100. Always remember that this is an imaginary 1. So 840 divided by 100 is equals of 8.4 or 9. Always remember that it's going to round up. So let's find here our ninth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So therefore our P40 is equals of 93.
So we are now in deciles. Deciles distribution into 10 subgroup. So here are the formula of decile. dk is equals of k over 10 times n plus 1. So in decile, we have 3 problems. So the first problem are looking for fourth decile. So the k here can be replaced into 4 because we're looking for fourth decile. So decile sub 4 is equals of 4 over 10. Then the n is 20 because it is the number of our data set of how many data set we have. So 20 plus 1 is equals of 21. Just copy the 4 over 10. So always remember that the imaginary one here, and 4 times 21 is equals of 84. 10 times 1 is equals of 10. So 84 divided by 10 is equals of 8.4 or 9. So let's find what is the value of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, our D4 or D sub 4 is equals of 93. So let's move here in our second problem. So in second problem, we're looking for fifth decile. D sub 5 because we are looking for decile 5. So decile 5 is equals of 5 over 10. And then this is our n 20 plus 1. So the 5 over 10, just copy. And then 20 plus 1 is equals of 21. Always remember the imaginary 1. 5 times 21 is equals of 105. And 10 times 1 is equals of 10. 105 divided by 10 is equals of 10.5 or 11. Let's find what is the value of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Therefore, our decile 5 is equals of 93. So now we are here in the third problem. The third problem are looking for the sixth. So we are now, ay naku ana. Ay, butro. So we are now in the third problem of decile. So the third problem of decile are looking for the six deciles. So the k here can be replaced 6 because we're looking for the sixth decile. So d sub 6 is equals of 6 over 10, and this is our n 20 plus 1. So just copy the 6 over 10, and then 20 plus 1 is equals of 21, the imaginary 1, and then 6 times 21 is equals of 126, and 10 times 1 is equals of 10. 126 divided by 20 is equal 10 is equals of 12.6 or 13. So let's find what's the value of our decile 6 or 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So therefore decile 6 is equals of 95.